Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, we have a lot to talk about in today's video because a lot of our stocks are absolutely killing it. One of those is of course Mullen Automotive, or ticker symbol MULN. So we are going to be breaking down the technical aspect of Mullen in today's video, as well as some truly insanely unparalleled news that the CEO was able to release just today that made this stock go up another almost 30% today. I believe it's 25% during normal trading hours, and now up another 10% after hours. And I also have 3 more stocks to share with you guys in today's video. But first, before we get into all of this, guys, I do want to tell you guys that we do have an alert, or should have an alert, coming out to you guys for our subscribers tomorrow morning at the bell at 9:30. We have a stock that is ready to have a technical breakout and is a low float squeeze stock. As long as this stock hits our radar in the morning, we are going to be sending out to it as an alert to our subscribers. Now, of course, we cannot talk about those stocks on this channel because we save those stocks specifically for our subscribers. So if you guys want to be a part of our subscribers and get these completely free stock alerts, like I said, we have one coming out tomorrow. Make sure and enter in your email. So all you have to do is click the link in the description and click the link that will be pinned in the first comments, or head to viralstocks.io, and all you have to do is enter in your email address. But then it's going to take you to this page where you're going to want to download our free penny stock ebook, as well as enter in your phone number. The phone number is way better because it's way more secure, and the alerts also get out at a higher ratio of a time, if you will. Sometimes we have trouble with the email where it either goes to spam or investors get it late. So with the phone number, it is pretty much guaranteed that you should get the alert on time, right? So tomorrow's alert will be at the bell at 9:30, and we have had some insane winners lately, like IMPP. We were able to catch this rally of over 1,000% gains. Like INDO, we were able to catch this rally of, I believe, 700 or 800% gains. I mean, look, it's still up almost 500%. And CEI as well, which was about a 100 or so, I think it was around 70% gainer for us. So if you guys have been following along, and of course Mullen, which was another absolutely massive winner, riding this stock from 80 cents to all the way where it is right now, over $3 per share and over $4 at one point. So we have been absolutely killing it on this channel and on our alerts for our subscribers. We have had alerts just in the last couple of weeks that have ran up over 180% for our subscribers, which is absolutely insane. So you guys are definitely going to want to make sure you're part of these completely free stock alerts so you do not miss out, like I said, tomorrow. So make sure you are signed up here with your email and your phone number at viralstocks.io so you guys do not miss out on these alerts. Now, let's first get into some stocks here. So let's start with Mullen Automotive. And first thing I want to do is go over the technical aspects of Mullen, right? So we saw Mullen shoot up. And if you take any catalyst, anything out, and you just look at pure technicals, right? We saw Mullen shoot up, and we had this line drawn for a very long time now, since Mullen was in this range, right? And we said we could see rejection off this $3.60 mark, somewhere around there, because that was a previous rejection point, right? This was a previous resistance level. So we saw Mullen run up to that. In fact, it went way past it. It went all the way up over $4 per share. But the reality is the daily candle could not close above that mark. We ended up seeing sellers push this all the way back down. That's why we see the long top wick. And it ended up closing that day below this critical resistance level, right? So now we see Mullen starting to come up again. Well, guess what? We need to see Mullen cleanly break this $3.60 level, 62, whatever you want to call it, for Mullen to ultimately break through and head to where it could find its next resistance level, which could be up at $4 and $5 per share. So make sure and take a look at the technicals for Mullen. If we get rejected, we could be headed back down again. However, if we break through, or even break through and retest, and we do see some daily closes and opens above this resistance line, that could be very bullish for Mullen and take us to the next level, right? So keep an eye out for that. But otherwise, Mullen is absolutely killing it today. I mean, yeah, it's up 28% now and is up another 20 or 10% here in the after hours as it just continues to climb. Now, Technicals are one thing, but when technicals also line up for catalyst, which by the way is what we look for at viralstocks.io, we like to see big catalysts coming up, and then ultimately the technicals and the stocks show up on our radar for us to send them as alerts to our subscribers. But that's exactly what happened with Mullen here. We saw a massive catalyst with Mullen here, and really over the last couple of days, right? So basically what happened is the CEO said, he alluded to an upcoming second quarter announcement that a major Fortune 500 company is purchasing cargo vans, and actually said major twice in his quote. So this is absolutely giant news. We are expecting the cargo vans to start being delivered here in Q2 2022, right? Which is coming up as we speak. Now that we know a major Fortune 500 company is buying in, that is absolutely giant and was obviously very, very bullish for this stock. In addition to that, this week we also saw some great news from Mullen. Just this week, Mullen reported estimates that the company will close fiscal Q2 with roughly $65 million in cash on hand. That is absolutely huge. Their second quarter ends at March 31st. So this is absolutely giant. They had like $400 on their balance sheet in cash last time we looked. So that is a huge improvement there to have $65 million. Obviously, that is from cargo vans and reservations as well. But anyways, Mullen has seen some strong gains and is still seeing some strong gains. So keep Mullen on your watch list, maybe even a possible alert if they continue to rally. Now, I want to talk about some other stocks here in today's video, like ticker symbol ADGI, which went up over 30%. Right now, this is a great time in the market. Stocks are rallying, penny stocks are rallying. It is really a good time, right? And it wasn't the case a few months ago, but we are still making money on stocks like INPP, INDO, CEI. And the point of this is there's always stocks that rally no matter what the market looks like, right? So 30% on ADGI. This is for a very clear reason. This is a biotech stock and they had positive clinical data, right? This is really all you need to see. When biotech stocks are able to achieve positive data like this, I mean, it is absolutely huge for the company and it enables their stock price usually to jump quite a bit, which is exactly what happened, right? 30% gain is pretty substantial. Most people don't see that in a year, especially if they're investing in the S&P 500. But there's also other stocks every single day that rally, like ISIG and like TMC. Now, I can't even find too much news on this stock, right? No major catalyst. I do know, however, that TMC is a long Reddit stock and it has pumped lots of times before. So stocks like these are always on our watch list because they have pumped before, right? So they're more likely, you could say, to do it again, right? So there's always stocks like these as well that literally just have no news, just technicals met, and they possibly even popped up on our radar, and obviously they rallied. But that is pretty much all I have for you in today's video, guys. Like I said, a major alert coming out tomorrow. If everything lines up, it should be set to send you guys at the bell, because the catalyst and technicals, and as long as it hits our radar, we will be sending it out to you guys. But it looks like it's ready for a breakout as well as a squeeze scenario. So make sure you're signed up at viralstocks.io with both your email and also your phone number. And of course, don't forget to grab that free penny stock book so you guys know exactly how we pick a lot of these plays. That link will be in the description as well as pinned in the first comment, or you can just head to viralstocks.io. Anyways, guys, that is all I have for you, and I will see you in the next video.